The supplies you need are yarn, rope, floral wire, scotch tape, scissors, and another type of tape like packing tape or masking tape, and also a hot glue gun, which isn't pictured here. And this is my first time making this, so I'm going to film it as I go, so hopefully it turns out. Step 1, you're going to want to take your rope and fold it into the shape of a rainbow. So you can do it as big or as small as you want it. I'm only going to do 3 layers for mine, and this is the shape that I'm going for. So once you folded it, you're going to take your scissors and then cut the loops of your rainbow. Next, you'll want to take your packing tape, masking tape, whatever you have, and just wrap it around the ends of the rainbow. It would be way easier with colored tape so you could actually see it, but this is the clear is all I have on hand right now. So you'll do that for each layer. Next, you'll take your floral wire and scotch tape. So you'll take the wire and measure it into the shape of each layer for the rainbow. You'll want to do it above the tape that you already have here. And then you'll just take a piece or 2 of scotch tape to hold it in place. So this is what your rainbow should look like at this point, and I used 3 pieces of tape on mine for the wire, 1 at each end, and then also 1 in the middle. Next, we're going to take our yarn and begin to wrap them. For my first color here, I'm going to start with the smallest layer and tie a knot with yarn right above your packing tape at the bottom. Just like that, and then each layer will begin wrapping. So I'll insert a time lapse, but just make sure you guys that part, and then you can just tuck that around the back and then pull the cover that you begin wrapping in. So here's what it looks like once it's wrapped. Just make sure as you go along, I found it easy to have my finger there to hold it in place and then push any gaps together, and if there was anything overlapping I could just fix that as I saw it too. So now I'll show you how to tie off the bottom. So you'll just want to keep a loop like that, wrap it around, and then you'll knot it a couple times, and then you can just cut off the extra string. This is what your rainbow should look like after each layer is wrapped. The next thing you're going to want to do is connect all 3 of the layers together. So I just have a regular hot glue gun over here plugged in, and then I'm going to take it and just put a line of glue around each layer and attach them together. I have each layer glued together now, so the next thing you'll want to do is remove the tape from the bottom that we taped off in the beginning, and then you'll just unravel the rope, and that's how it'll look. Here is the finished product. I think it turned out super cute. If you have any questions about this DIY or give it a try yourself, make sure you tag me. I love to see your creations.